हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, पुन्हा एकदा माझ्या यूट्यूब चॅनलमध्ये सगळ्यांचं स्वागत. तर ह्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण फर्टिलायझेशन मीन्स डबल फर्टिलायझेशन हा भाग चर्चा करणार आहोत. तर त्यापूर्वी इथे आपल्याला स्टडी करावं लागेल की एंट्री ऑफ अ पॉलन ट्यूब इन द ओव्ह्यूल. We know that fertilization is the process where there is a fusion of male and female gamete occurs. But before the fusion of male and female gamete or the fertilization, the pollen tube should enter in the ovule, because when development of male gametophyte occurs, at that time male gametes are produced in the pollen tube. So that pollen tube enter in the ovule, and then after fertilization takes place. But when here that pollen tube is enter in the ovule by any one of the way that follows the three different types of ways, and that enters in the ovule. Here we study that entry of pollen tube in ovule, or by which way that pollen tube is enters in the ovule. So here in the angiospermic plant, that pollen tube is enters in the ovule through of these three ways, that is porogamy, second is chalazogamy, and third is mesogamy. So in the porogamy, that pollen tube is enter in a ovule through the micropylar opening. We know that micropyle is the opening and through which easily that pollen tube is enters in the ovule, and that way is called porogamy. Second is chalazogamy. In the chalazogamy, pollen tube is enters through that chalazal base. We know that when we study the structure of ovule, that chalaza is the base of ovule, and in some plants that pollen tube is enters in the ovule through the chalazal base, and that is called chalazogamy. And third is mesogamy. In the mesogamy, pollen tube is entered by rupturing the hard protective structure called integument. We know that integument is a hard protective structure which gives protection to the embryo sac. But in some plant, that pollen tube is enters in the ovule by rupturing that hard protective structure called integument, and that way is called mesogamy. And that's the entry of a pollen tube in the ovule. As pollen tube should enter in the ovule for the fertilization, but in all plants that pollen tube is not enters through the micropylar opening. In some plants that enters through the micropylar opening, that is called porogamy. In some plant that enters through the chalaza, that is chalazogamy, and in some plant that enters by rupturing the integument, and that is called mesogamy, and that's the entry of pollen tube in ovule, which is necessary for the fertilization process. After entry of a pollen tube in ovule, fertilization takes place. And in the angiospermic plant, fertilization occurs twice. That's why it is called double fertilization. We know that fertilization is the important process in a sexual reproduction. In the process of fertilization, there is a fusion of male and female gamete occurs. But in the angiospermic plant, that fertilization occurs twice in a two different places. That's why that process is called double fertilization. As we know, when development of male gametophyte occurs, at that time that two male gametes are produced in the pollen tube, and that pollen tube is enters in the ovule through the either porogamy, mesogamy, or chalazogamy. In this diagram, that pollen tube is enters in the ovule through the porogamy, means through the micropylar opening. And when this pollen tube enters in the ovule, that pollen tube ruptures any one of the synergid cell. The two synergid cells which are present and that surrounds to the egg or female gamete. And when that pollen tube enters in the ovule, that pollen tube first ruptures any one of the synergid cell, and with that the tip of pollen tube is also ruptures and the two male gametes released in the embryo sac. And in that two male gamete, the first male gamete fuses with the egg or female gamete. As there are two male gametes, and in that the first male gamete fuses with the egg or that fuses with the female gamete, and that kind of fertilization is called syngamy, or that is also called as first fertilization. And the second male gamete which is released from the pollen tube, that second male gamete fuses with the secondary nucleus. That secondary nucleus is a part of a embryo sac, and that second male gamete fuses with the secondary nucleus. That is called triple fusion, or that is also called as a second fertilization. So in this way, in the angiospermic plant, fertilization occurs twice. First fertilization in between male gamete, first male gamete and the female gamete, which is called syngamy, and that is called first fertilization. Second fertilization occurs in between second male gamete and the secondary nucleus, that is called second fertilization or a triple fusion. So in this way, fertilization occurs twice. That's why that process is called double fertilization. Regarding to the significance of a double fertilization is a significant process where both male gametes are utilized. During the development of male gametophyte, two male gametes are produced and the two male gametes are utilized in the process of a double fertilization. Second significance is that product of a first fertilization, product of this first fertilization, that is occurs in between male gamete and female gamete, that's the diploid zygote. That zygote develops into embryo, and the product of second fertilization, which occurs in between male gamete and the secondary nucleus, the product is primary endosperm nucleus, which further develops into the endosperm. So that's the significance of a double fertilization. So in this way, in the angiospermic plant, that fertilization occurs twice. That's why that process is called a double fertilization. So that's the process of double fertilization. So thank you. तर माझ्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा, व्हिडिओजला लाईक्स करा आणि शेअर सुद्धा करा, जेणेकरून की हे व्हिडिओज बऱ्याच जणांपर्यंत पोहोचतील. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.